Welcome to this short Moose case study video in which I'll be showing you an example of how you can take textbook content and use it online. In this case, the client was the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply, or CIPS, CIPS for short, and the particular content designed in Moose was for two audiences. Firstly, as a degree level textbook for students studying to become members of CIPS, and secondly, as an online resource for existing members to check that their knowledge was current and in line with any changes to legislation. So let's have a look at what was produced. So here is the front page of the sample, and the whole thing was actually a massive project. This is simply one session, and each session of the course was a 300-page textbook, and this was produced by Moose into a PDF. And if I was to click on this link now, it gives me the option to view that PDF, and you can see that it's all laid out. In fact, it's all laid out completely ready for print, and this is what Moose has done. So you've got all the page numbering there, you've got automatic contents. If I go to here, this content page is all automatically generated, so that's all ready for print. At the side here you've got, let me just scroll down and show you, you've got the Roman numeral page numbering, and if you go to the side, this little section here is actually a bleed across the margin, which when you turn it into a book, if you look down the spine of the book, or the opposite of the spine, you'll see the black marks to show you exactly where to get immediately to a chapter. And right at the bottom again you've got the auto-generated index of pages as well. So fully ready for professional printing, and that's all been produced through Moose. If I go back to the previous home page, if I go to the e-course book now, so this is the online version for existing members to check their knowledge, and they can either scroll through the information on the left hand side, or there is a menu on this side as well which will jump them to various parts of that information, and whenever they get to a learning activity they can click on show feedback, and you can see that they've got the feedback there so that they can have a go at the learning before actually seeing what the model answer would be. Let's go to another section. The e-revision aid again allows the people to go through the various objectives here, and all this is essentially is a cut down version, effectively a revision card of the information in the previous section I just showed you. So if people just want a quick revision, this is the area they can go through, and they can access these short revision cards and study sessions. Again, have a go to learning activity and view the model answers. And the final section is the e-knowledge bite for CPD. So this is an 11 question quiz, so people can go through and select their answers, and after selecting any one answer they can immediately click on show feedback and get that instant feedback. If they want to learn more about that particular topic, they can click on a live link and it will take them immediately to that piece of information. And this is all drawn out of one Word document via Moose. So if we go into the back end, this is the Moose back end area, and if I were to click on the edit information here, that would then take me into the Word document. So everything you've seen there, all of the content is handled in this one section, and Moose simply then converts that into what I've just shown you. So it's a great way of just being able to say to your authors, here's the template, do what you need to do in Word, and Moose will automatically convert it into all of the different types of display required, whether it's a full manual to be printed out for people studying, whether it's a revision book, study cards, or simply a quiz. Moose handles it all in one simple, straightforward document. And this is just one example of how Moose can be used. For more ideas and inspiration, take a look at some of the other Moose case studies we have available. And remember, whatever your specific online and offline publishing needs, Moose can be fully customized to suit them.